Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with Goan Polle with coconut. So I'll be using coconut, and it is also known as Neer Dosa. So it is like basically you add more water, thin consistency, and it becomes Neer Dosa. So again, my last video I have shown you Neer Dosa and Goan Polle with without coconut, and this is with coconut. So here is my white rice, which I have mentioned it over there, and this is my red rice, or you can say, and it is like Goan rice. So from the Goan field, and I am taking 1 cup of this rice and 1 cup of this rice. So measurement is totally yours. But whatever measurement you are taking, suppose you are taking this 2 cup or 2 glass of rice, then it should be this size of coconut. You can add more coconut, you can add less coconut, you can add designated coconut also, however you want, but you can add full 1 coconut also for this quantity. It will become more coconutish. So, but I am using this quantity. So let's grind this. So you have to wash this first, both together and thoroughly, and after that you soak it overnight. So these are my soaked overnight rice, and now I will be grinding this. Here you can see, and then I will grind this separately, not together. You can, but then the rice doesn't get grind properly. So let's grind this. So I've grind 1 part, and now at present this is thick. So I'm grinding the other part now. So now here is my coconut. I'm adding in this. So now this batter is very thick, you can see. So now if you want to make little bit thick polle, then fine, but we want like Neer Dosa, and Neer means water. So, and it is like pato Poye or Polle zaye. Tale amka udak galche pattele. So we'll have to add some water to this, salt to this now, and sugar. If you want to add sugar also, you are most welcome to add sugar into this, but coconut is always sweeter side, so I'm not going to add. Some oil for frying and a good frying pan. So let's add water to this and make it little bit thin. So salt to taste. And we'll add this, mix this nicely. Adds water. So I think so this is enough. And when you are making it, you have to continuously stir this, otherwise the rice and all gets accumulated down. So let's make our Goan Polle with coconut and enjoy. So here it is all done. So let's turn this. You can directly serve like this or like this. So okay, I'll show you one more. So oil. Cover this. So whoever likes coconut, they can relish it with coconut. Whoever doesn't like coconut, and a good tawa to fry this. Enjoy. Hope you will enjoy this. I will continue to do, and I will tell you how you can serve it. So now you can serve it with veg or non-veg, whatever you want to serve. Like if it is pure vegan people and vegetarian people, then you can have it with some chutney or sambar or rasam. And for non-veg people, you can have it with stew. Veg people can use veg stew. And non-veg people can also have this. So vegan, vegetarian, whatever you all want to have it with, you can just have it with this way. So here it is, it's hot. And it just opens. It's like lace. So just dip this into this and the sauce and just very tasty. So you can have it with rasam. All the vegan people and vegetarian people have it with rasam, chutney, veg stew. And for whoever wants to have something like that, they can have chicken stew or whatever stew you want to make of non-veg. And it is tasty. Thank you so much for watching this and hope you will enjoy this. Thank you.